2022 Toyota Camry. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, gasoline electric hybrid. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.